MODAPTS practitioners typically take 2 to 3 hours to code 1 minute of physical activity. Kaizen Copilot's MODAPTS module allows them to bring this time down to under 30 minutes. Our user uploads a reference video of the activity being studied, selects the relevant part of the video file, and specifies the number of steps she wants the video to be broken into. The AI automatically segments the activity into the specified number of steps and also adds a description for each step. Our user can then further decompose each step into atomic substeps, describing those substeps in detail in English. Once she describes the substeps in natural language, our AI automatically generates MODAPTS codes corresponding to those substeps. Our user can then inspect the MODAPTS codes generated and modify any that she doesn't agree with. Once all steps have been decomposed and coded at the substep level, the user presses the Finish button, which automatically combines any simultaneous left and right hand activities and shows the time study, which can also be downloaded as an Excel sheet.